morning, guys. Devotional for January 18th. Looks can be deceiving. 1 Peter chapter 3, verses 3 and 4. Your beauty should not come from outward adornment, such as elaborate hairstyles and the wearing of gold jewelry or fine clothes. Rather, it should be that of your inner self, the unfading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is of great worth in God's sight. Matthew chapter 5, verse 8. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 7. The Lord does not look at the things people look at. People look at outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. Philippians chapter 2, verse 13. God is working in you, giving you the desire and the power to do what pleases Him. 1 Timothy chapter 4, verse 8. Physical training is good, but training for godliness is much better, promising benefits in this life and in the life to come. Proverbs chapter 31, verse 30. Charm is deceptive, and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. In Psalms 139, verse 14. I praise you because I am fearful. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. And at the bottom it says, what do you look like? Do you work out for hours in a gym, or take a pill every morning, or put on wrinkle cream? Do you wear designer clothes while everyone around you envies you for your appearance? What do you look like in heaven? If God and His angels were to look at you, how many hours of spiritual practice would they see you have done this week? Rather than designer clothes, bear spiritual fruits as your clothing, and know that you are beautiful to Him. We are all beautiful to Him, no matter what we look like. And I know I look a wreck in the mornings, but I love you guys. And that concludes our devotional for today, January 19th. This month it seems to be flying by. But I love you guys. I hope you have a very blessed day. And give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.